Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the suspension components of this build. We're going to be doing the link arms, laying out the link arms. Basically right now we're just tacking everything into place. As you can see, we're still laying out everything, so everything's more or less tacked into place. Got the subframe tacked into place. We got the lower link mounts figured out. We got the upper link mounts integrated into the framework here. Had to notch that cross member bracket out a little bit to integrate that to get our spacing, appropriate spacing. So today, hopefully, we will be finishing up with the triangulated 4-link front and rear suspension setup and see how it goes. We're going to start with this lower link arm bracket. I'm going to have to remove that post that's holding up the axle currently because it's right in line with the lower link arm. So we'll start with cutting that out of the way and laying these out. So this bracket doesn't quite fit snug up against the axle tube. This tab's holding it out just a 1/4 inch. So we're going to heat this up, bend these tabs back a little bit, get it to fit nice and get a nice flush fit there. So we made this little measuring tool for laying out our link arms. Just a quick way of getting a length on getting a proper length on each of the link arms. So works out pretty good. So we'll be putting that into use here for this lower link arm. Can you slide the jack over here? So we got the lower link arm in place, got the angles to match the upper. So now the upper and lower link arms are the same angle. Now we're going to tack this side into place, and then we'll get our measurement for the length, cut the actual link arm, and get that in place and move to the other side. Again, we're just tacking everything into place, make sure everything's going to work before we really lay beads down on everything. So pretty much everything you see is, except for the trusses, are pretty much tacked into place. Those are pretty much affixed.
So here we gotta basically take this ridge out of the tubing so that the block will fit in there. And these are basically the rod ends that we had made up for this project. So here we have the lower link arm set up, and then our triangulated. So we're going to keep plugging away. Here we're putting together one of our link arms. I'm gonna have to edit that out. Wow.
So we got the lower link arm in place, got it same angle as the upper link arm, so now we're going to tack it into place and move on to the rears. Well, that concludes the front suspension setup. So now we're going to move on to the rear, lay it out, and get that all in place. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please like it and consider subscribing so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks.